What you doing, girl? You practicing your boxing? You practicing for when we fight? Bless you. Bless you. Are you getting feisty? Huh? Are you getting spicy? Practice your boxing? Practice your boxing. What are you doing? You're so cute. Staring at me like that. Why are you so mad? Why you want to bite stuff, huh? I don't want no bite and punch. That look. Oh, man. You got issues, little one. You got some issues. Uh-oh, another sneeze. Yeah, that's a big one. I seen it coming.